Okay, so I'm doing a slime review today. Okay, so I just gotta get these out of the way, and I know which one I'm gonna start with. Okay, so it's a nice teal color. I actually mixed kinetic sand into this because I mixed kinetic sand into another slime and then mixed that slime with that slime, so you can see at the bottom it's all sandy. But it's very nice. I really like this teal color. Kinda is beach themed. So the sand and the turquoise, you know. It's very nice. Yeah, it's just very nice. I rate this a 7 out of 10. Okay, so next we have this really fluffy slime that I got by mixing two slimes together. Okay, so this is a really fluffy slime, even though I didn't put like whipping cream in it. I really like this color. You'll notice a lot of my colors are blue or green, and that's just because it happens to be blue or green. This one was a mix of purple, a lot of purple, and blue, so it ended up blue somehow. Really light shade of blue, which is quite strange, but you know, don't mind the slime business. It's very stretchy. I mean, it's not very stretchy, but it still stretches. It's not like a bad stretch, but still wondering what I should rate this. 8 out of 10. Minus 1 point because it's a little bit unoriginal. I mean, I made it. I'm kind of just testing myself, making myself feel bad. Whatever. Anyway, yeah, still pretty good. And what is going on here? Don't mind that. I accidentally just okay. Okay, so next we have this. So this is actually Nickelodeon slime, and if you have like one of those like Nickelodeon slimes that come in that weird shaped container, well yeah, this one, it was so sticky. It's basically like it's half slime. It's like 25% slime, 75% glue. It's really, really sticky, and I can handle stick. Some slimes are too sticky. I'll fix them, but that was really, really sticky. Anyway, I really like this color. It doesn't stretch as well because I added borax to make it less sticky, but it's really smooth and it just feels amazing. It's a really, really light pink, kind of looks white. I think it is almost white actually, but it's really, really, really soft, and it crunches pretty well. Not as well actually. I rate this one a 7.5. Okay, I know that this slime isn't exactly the best. It's not stretchy, the beads fall out. But I really do like the color. It feels nice. And it's kind of like an ocean. That was my intent on making this. was to make this a nice ocean themed slime. I pretty much lost all of my little slimes like this that came in a pack, and they dried out over time, so I fixed up. The beads are falling everywhere. I'm gonna put this one away, and I rate it a 6. Okay, so next we have this slime. I like that. I really like the slime. It's nice. Another ocean themed. It's not very stretchy. It feels stretchy, but then when you do that, it's kind of like thick. Thick in stretchiness and thick in texture. But the color is really pretty, and all these glitters just look amazing. I love all the colors. It feels really nice. I rate this one a 5. Actually, a 6. I'll make it a 6. Next, I kind of want to show you this slime. It's water slime. It got really sticky. I actually mixed this into another slime, which I'll be showing you later. I mixed part of this into another slime, and it feels really nice apart from the fact that it's really, really sticky. It's one of those like dollar slimes, you know. It's actually good the like first little bit, and then it gets a little bit sticky, but I rate this one a 7 out of 10. I didn't review it that long because it's water slime. There's not really much you can do with it, you know. Okay, this purple slime. You can melt through it like it's nothing. It just is so soft, so smooth, but the stretch is really not good. The color is my favorite. It has my 2 favorite colors. It's a really nice color. It kind of looks like a galaxy. But the problem is it's not stretchy, it'll slide. It's kind of wet. The glitters fall out and they're kind of spiky. I rate this one a 5 out of 10. Okay, this slime. So this slime stains your hands, but it's just amazing. I actually traded this, half of it for a Nickelodeon slime that you're going to see. It's really nice. I think these might be slushy beads. I don't think so. I'm not fully sure. So funny story. This came in a little like thing where you mix like Play-Doh slime into beads. And the beads outside of it, which I thought were the beads that you're supposed to mix into it, were decoration. And then I opened a little container that was inside of it, and it had more beads, so I mixed that into the normal slime. I really like the slime. Like, I really like the slime, but you can see it stains your hands. It's very, very nice, though. I rate that one an 8 out of 10. Okay, this is the slime that I mixed with the yellow slime. It's really all over the place. It's kind of like slippery. It's not that stretchy, but the color is interesting. It's kind of yellowish brown mixed with pink glitters and green glitters. But it's wet enough that the spiky glitters don't actually hurt as bad. Well, they don't hurt, but you get the point. You can see all the little glitters inside. It's hard to stretch. I rate this one a 4 out of 10. Okay, so this slime. Yeah, about that. The slime got ruined and the beads just fall out everywhere, so I'm gonna put it away and rate it a 0. It's a stone. I have a stone, and it was so good. Then I added borax, and it was ruined. Such a sad tale on how I have beads and wetness all over my hands. That's what I get for making a slime video. Also, we are so close to 20 subscribers. And, excuse me while I go get these beads off my hands. We are so close to 20 subscribers. And I have this little slime. So, you see, this is a Nickelodeon slime. And I added beads to it. And it floats to the top of the slime thing, which I noticed in a bag. So I moved it to this slime. And I like it. Here, let me show you. Anyways, this beaded slime is really nice. It just feels really good. The beads don't even fall out, it's just smooth. And it crunches really well. It feels amazing when you just are looking for something with beads, something that is just kind of relaxing and smooth and stretchy. I really like this. It's just really good. I rate this a 10. It's just really good. Anyway, again, we are very close to 20 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're watching this video, because it's funny looking back. If the people who viewed my video subscribed, I would have had over 100 subscribers by now. Probably over 200 subscribers by now. As everyone who watches these videos don't subscribe, because I just feel like it's a waste of time, and it will be harder to find your other subscribers. And maybe a little bit harder, but I think they have the search subscriber button, maybe. Like, you can search up subscribers, maybe? I forgot, but please subscribe. It helps a lot, because I don't have that many subscribers, and pretty much people I know helped me start this channel, so it's not like some random people clicked on this and said, ooh, what a nice channel. Well, probably some people did, and peace out to those people there. And if you did subscribe and you're someone I don't know, I appreciate it. You know what's funny? So, after Froggermelon got his 60 subscriber special, 5 people unsubscribed from him, and the same thing happened to me. With my 11 subscriber special, I lost a subscriber. I got it back later, but I guess people just don't like being noticed on the internet. Anyway, I need you guys to like and subscribe for a cool 20 subscriber special, and it's not going to be a 2-hour ASMR. But it will be something special. And I know I haven't posted in a while, and I'm sorry for that. But yeah, I hope you guys have I don't know, slime. Well, anyway, I hope you guys, if you have a YouTube channel, you get lots of subscribers magically. Also, in the comments, if you want, tell me your YouTube channel name, and I can give you a shout out. I know it's not much coming from my channel, but I just want to do something fun and nice. Anyway, comment on ideas for the 20 subscriber special, and I'm not going to be destroying a TV, because I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to be doing anything that you guys know that I can't do. So, I hope that you can subscribe and like, and have a good day. Or night, or 3 in the morning. Let's hope that it's not 3 in the morning. Well, anyway, bye.